Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to assume your wish already fulfilled, even though your outside 3D reality looks very different. In other words, we are going to talk about how to ignore your physical 3D reality and assume that wish to be already fulfilled in order to manifest it and see it in your physical reality. So if you're someone who is manifesting the impossible, whether it's love, money, abundance, prosperity, anything that feels outside of your reach right now, I want you to watch this video till the end, because you will understand that what you perceive right now in your physical reality is not real. So let's dive deeper. Your 3D physical reality is not real. And I know this might actually trigger some people. What do you mean it's not real? What do you mean I should ignore it? What do you mean like I should be delusional? Yes, because your outside physical reality is a reflection of your past self. It's specifically a reflection of your old identity. Why is that? Because your physical reality is a result of your thinking, feeling, and doing. So what do you see now in that physical reality around you? Place where you live, people you interact with, the money you make, relationship you are experiencing. This is reflection. It's a mirror of your old self who created this reality long time ago. The way you were being, feeling, and doing a long time ago. And because there is a delay in this 3D physical reality, now you are experiencing that as your experience, life experience. So for you to change that outside reality, we need to change you first. So this is not about doing, pushing, forcing. This is all about going inward and changing yourself first. It starts with understanding that all the power you're seeking is within you. And by the way, you are actually wasting this manifestation power whenever you go out there and you're trying to force the outcome, you're trying to push, you're trying to control, micromanage everything. When you go inward and you understand that your energy creates this reality, by the way, your energy in higher dimension, not necessarily in 3D dimension, I'm talking the 5th dimension, then you understand that the fastest way to change the 3D circumstances is by changing your energy. When you change your energy in 5th dimension, in 5D, you will change the field, your electromagnetic field, the way your geometry, your codes are essentially, because in the quantum, it's all about the energy, it's all about the codes. It's nothing about the physical, what you see here. And there is no time and space. There is just eternal present moment. And so for you to actually change what you perceive in 3D physical reality, the fastest way is to go to 5D, change that field first, and then come from that place. So it's all about energetic work. And therefore, when you pay attention to the outside 3D circumstances, you are wasting your energy, you're wasting your power, your potential, your creative power, or your manifestation power. Fastest way to change that 3D physical reality that you see with your senses, that you perceive with your senses, is to ignore it. Because when you start ignoring it, you take that power back and you take that energy back, that creative power back, and then you can start creating. Number one step is to ignore it, because now you know that it doesn't matter what you see, because sooner or later it will rearrange based on you, based on your energetic change, and then it will reflect back to you who you are, your new self, your new identity, if you will. And this new identity, new self, going to re-emerge every time we are going through change. And by the way, we are shifting constantly. The question is, are we shifting consciously or subconsciously, with intention or without? I want you to start shifting with intention, consciously, into that person who you want to be. I am not talking about crafting this identity from a place of it doesn't feel aligned, or it doesn't feel authentic, or from the place of ego or proving or performing. Whenever you're tapping into this identity from your ego, in other words, you tap from the place of I want this much money so I can feel better. I want love so I can feel fulfilled and loved. This is all coming from the place of your ego, that need, that scarcity. And whenever you are crafting that identity from this place, it is never going to land. And so instead of that, I want you to tune into that version of you. So this is all about remembering her because she already exists. And this is actually that coherence that we want to achieve when manifesting that outcome in 3D, whether it's relationship or wealth, money, abundance, prosperity, because she already is here. Provided you believe that there are actually multiple, infinite, parallel realities, and you exist in these multiple, infinite, parallel realities. And because you exist, that's how you know. When you have that desire, that's how you know you already exist. That desire is your GPS. It's a certain geometry. It's a certain code that is calling you to come here. So your true heart's desire will always show you what belongs to you. So you don't have to chase it. You don't have to hustle for it, grind, work hard for it. It already exists. The moment you accept it, you assume it, it is already yours. And this is actually the key of Neville Goddard work, that he is talking about assuming, that is connected to that feeling, which is absolutely emotional work, meaning that feeling is always going to be there when you assume it's already yours. That's when you accept it's already yours. And that's when you actually claim it. And the moment you claim it, you assume it, you accept it, that is the moment when you're automatically going to feel in your heart like it's already here. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to force it. None of that is required because you already claim it and you already feel it. And this is the trick that is going to unlock that new timeline for you. Because the moment you feel into it, the moment you relax into it, you actually assume it, you accept it, and this is the new you. And guess what? That's how you merge the gap between who you are and who you want to be. Because every time you are merging these two identities, you are still in the gap in between. And whenever you are in the gap in between, you are lacking the right frequency. You manifest based on who you are vibrationally speaking. And so you want to merge these two identities together, and that's how you will manifest. So essentially, to assume your wish fulfilled is to understand that you are already her. You are already there. You have arrived. It's all about accepting, assuming it's yours, by remembering, by tapping into that version of you who already exists in this moment in another parallel reality. And this actually helps you to let go of the amplify persona creation, that artificial identity that many people are trying to perform. And because of that, they are not able to manifest that self. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to go deeper, I do have upcoming masterclass called Coherent Wealth. It's a beautiful masterclass. We're going to dive deeper how we manifest wealth, not just financial, but also relational and so on. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.